One of the key questions I'm hearing as a result of the COVID-19 global pandemic is this: how do I address the sense of uncertainty among my team members when the future is so unclear? Uncertainty can be the death of productivity. People get distracted, they get worried, they get anxious, and they just don't perform as well. So how can you help your team members? Because people are looking to you for answers and you don't have them. So I'm going to share with you 4 tips in this video series that will help you address this sense of uncertainty, both for you and for your team. Here's the first one. My first tip is to watch your focus. Pause and think about it. Where are so many people focusing right now? On COVID-19. The latest number of cases, the latest learning about how dangerous the virus is, how many deaths there are, which countries are struggling the most, and so on and so on. But all of that, you can't control. You cannot tell COVID-19 go away. And trust me, if we could, it would be long gone by now. So the key is to focus on what you can control. So don't focus on what you cannot control. Where are you focusing? And get your team members to do the same. So let's do this as an exercise. I'm going to encourage you to pause and think. What can you control right now? What is within your control? So many things. How you allocate your time, how you act, how you react, how you look, how you sound, what you say, what you think, how you feel. Yes, you're in charge of how you feel. Your physical self, what you eat, what you drink, how much sleep you get, your priorities, your mindset, your schedule, your health routine, your home environment, your reactions, your thoughts, mental rest moments, whether you watch television or not, how you treat others. So pause and reflect. You really are in charge of a lot more than you may think. It's easy to get into a victim mentality of feeling like we are victims of this COVID, when in truth is we are more in charge than we think. So really put your focus there and ask yourself every day and every minute, where are you placing your focus? On what you can control or that which is outside of your control? That's really foundational. So you'll find some more tips for leading during a time of uncertainty in the video descriptions below. I look forward to hearing from you.